I would like to describe the first step of building the Kevlar recovery system. So I have this Kevlar cord. It was cut to 5 feet long. This end, there's a loop on it and a very small drop of CA applied here to hold the nut in place. The other end we want to attach to the actual cord on the rocket. This is a very, very heavy Kevlar cord because it's going to take a lot of abuse in here. But this is the lighter cord, and it's certainly the longer one. And we want it to be the smaller one so we can wind it up much easier. Okay, so I have my little piece of heat shrink here, and I'm going to just go ahead and tie a slip knot on here. This thing about a slip knot is that with this Kevlar, I can tie it as tight as I want, and it still slides, which is a very important part of being a slip knot. So you can go ahead and adjust the length of the knot at any time. So I'm going to go ahead and tie this together as a slip knot, and you'll see how this works. This Kevlar is extremely challenging to tie, but there we go. You see, the whole idea is that it's a very simple knot and just ties around the actual cord. So all I'm going to do, I don't know if that can be seen very well. There, this is just it's a single knot tied around the cord. That's all it is. So I'm going to pull the single knot as tight as I can possibly get it. So we tie it extremely tight. So now the Kevlar knot is extremely tight on the cord. What's really nice about this is all we have to do is pull on this and it tightens. The reason I like using this knot, you can see it's easy to tie, it's easy to tighten, but also the pigtail end of this is along the same line as the actual cord itself. So all we have to do is just take a little piece of heat shrink, put this over the knot and the end loop here. So now we have this over the swivel, and we have this nice piece of heat shrink over the knot, slip knot, and all we have to do is apply a little bit of heat, and it shrinks up extremely tight, and I'll do that very quickly. And there we go. We now have a very tightly attached knot, and all I gotta do is just cut this little piece off, and this is permanently secured. It's not ever going to come off. If there is a problem, you need to replace the cord. It's really just slice that with a hobby knife, and then you're all done. Okay, so now that I have the cord attached, I'm going to go through the next few steps in the next few videos of attaching the streamer, the Kevlar felt, and the nose cone.